Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to turn off location on Android phone. And here's what we'll cover. How to access location settings on Redmi 10. How to turn off location tracking for all apps. How to manage location access for individual apps. Let us get started. To disable location access on your phone, open the Settings app and scroll down to find location. Tap on it, then toggle the switch off to turn off location tracking for all apps and services, helping protect your privacy. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, the steps provided for turning off location tracking on Redmi 10 may vary slightly depending on your MIUI version or Android update. If you encounter issues, please refer to your phone settings or contact your carrier for assistance. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions or want us to cover other phone features? Please drop them in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.